Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone model and OS version, so you apply the only reliable method that works for your build. Once done, back up your wallpaper and home layout. Make sure to save icons and fonts to a folder. Next, install a trusted launcher or theme engine if the system lacks style controls. This gives you the control you need. You're not toggling trivial options, you're creating a controlled environment to replace screen assets safely and reversibly. You now install and configure the launcher or theme engine to apply the style. First, grant storage and home replacement permissions. These let the app read your assets and become the default launcher. Then import the wallpaper, icon pack, and font files. Preview each element and adjust scale and cropping. Once imported, fine-tune grid, dock, widget size, and animation speed so icons and widgets line up predictably. Doing this ensures your new screen style looks intentional and functions smoothly across pages. Finish by making the launcher the default home app and verifying gestures, dock behavior, and the app drawer. Once satisfied, export or back up the final layout so you can restore the style later and lock in font settings if needed. If something goes wrong, icons misalign, fonts fail to load, clear the launcher cache, reapply the icon pack, or reinstall the theme engine, these steps usually fix permission or caching errors. If issues persist, revert your backup and retry with adjusted assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.